Respected seniors and dearest members of CA family, myself CA Rajesh Sharma, Center Council member of ICI, hope and pray that all of you along with the family members are safe and are at best of your health and spirit during this tough time. Friends, I started working for the profession with all dedication from the time I was a student. After joining CA as a student, I was elected as the Vice Chairman of NICASA, the Student Association of Northern Region of ICI. After getting the honor of serving this glorious profession at such a young age, there it became the motto of my life. Then I got elected to the NIRC of ICI for 2 consecutive terms. As the chairman of NIRC in the year 2011 and 12, I made the year an eventful year. Even though the regional council is not involved in process of examination and the board of studies, I pursued with the then president Mr. G. Ramaswamy to take various steps at huge scale. Some of them I am quoting here. Passing the rule that students will get 15 minutes reading time, ensuring that the checked answer sheet will be provided to the students. A question bank named as practice manual was made available to the students, ensuring that all the pronouncement of ICI and of the students will be available on the website. मेरे ख्याल से आप में से जो कोई भी 2011 के बाद में पास हुआ है उन्होंने इन स्टेप्स का फायदा जरूर मिला होगा. Friends, if I take of Companies Act, we have worked for improvement of the Companies Act while it was in discussion with the standing committee. Then we pursued the same while it went to the Lok Sabha discussion. It was the year 2009 to 2011. Then again it was returned from the Rajya Sabha for further improvement. Finally, in the year 2013 it got passed. We ensured that the detrimental sections of this act are rectified and improved version of the same should be implemented. Despite not being a part of the Central Council or the Regional Council in the year 2012 to 15, have tried to help all the 3 presidents during this year to work with the government. The limit of bank branch audit, which was changed from 3 crores to 20 crores of advances for branch audit, we strived to bring it down to 6 crore. It again got retracted to 20 crores. Then Rajya Sabha member Piyush Goyal ji and Yashwant Sinha ji helped us in the same. Piyush Goyal ji raised a question in the Rajya Sabha. Yashwant Sinha ji wrote a letter and called the then Finance Minister Sri Pranab Mukherjee ji and got the things done. उसके बाद आप के ही सपोर्ट के कारण आई गॉट इलेक्टेड टू द सेंट्रल काउंसिल मेंबर ऑफ ICI. मेरी गवर्नमेंट और मिनिस्ट्रीज में अच्छी पहचान के कारण जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आई या गवर्नमेंट को से काम पड़ा तो मुझे जिम्मेदारी दी गई. इन द ईयर 2020, IBA had a view that bank branch audits should be skipped due to corona. We conveyed the repercussion of the same to all the appropriate authorities and it was ensured that the bank audit was done by our members. Furthermore, in the year 2021, there were rumors of increasing the limit of advances for which bank audit, branch audit will be done. I can say we conveyed the detrimental consequences of this action to the banking system as well as the profession, and we ensured that the same didn't happen. Friends, if I take of NAFRA, In addition, when the Companies Act was implemented in the year 2013, the section 132, which is pertaining to NAFRA, was not implemented, as some of the provisions were detrimental to our profession. When it finally got effective in the year 2018, we contacted the authorities and ensured that the rules that are framed here are not harmful to our profession, and those rules were removed. Friends, for GST, strategically launching the GST on our platform by Honorable Prime Minister gave the profession an edge when other professional bodies liaised with the government for taking the share in the work. In the year 2017, we happened to organize a historical event on 1st July, first launching of the GST at night in the Parliament, and then the day launching was done with ICI. Honorable Prime Minister, 18 Chief Ministers, 40 Cabinet Ministers, Central Ministers, Finance Ministers of the states, and several Ministers of the states were available in this ICI mega event at different places. A statement was given which was not appropriate for the CA community. इसलिए हमने immediately appropriate जगह पे हमारे concerns को convey करवाए. And the capacity as chief coordinator of this program, we had made sure that the PM officially launched GST during the day program with ICI. उसी दिन प्रधानमंत्री जी ने एक बात बोली थी, मुझे अच्छी तरह याद है. उन्होंने कहा था, मेरे सिग्नेचर से भी ज्यादा वैल्यू एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट के सिग्नेचर की है. He acknowledged the chartered accountants as financial Rashtra Rishi. Friends, we ensured that the maximum work of GST remains with our chartered accountants. Friends, last year GST audit हटा दिया गया, but we assure to our CA community that we will do our best to solve this problem and try to bring it back. Friends, for exam committee, for which I have been given responsibility now, उसमें आप कर्टन के पीछे काम करते हो, पता नहीं चलता. I, as a member of examination committee, along with our other members, actively worked during this pandemic to ensure that the exams were conducted, and not only conducted, smoothly conducted in all the states of the nation in both the years. I can say, हमने स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, हमने सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, हमने होम मिनिस्ट्री, हमने पुलिस, हमने बाकी सभी अथॉरिटीज से परमिशन लेकर भी इस टफ टाइम में एग्जाम को कराया. पिछले 2-3 सालों से प्रधानमंत्री हर साल सीए डे में हम हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट को पत्र देते हैं, और इस वर्ष तो 27 जून को उन्होंने मन की बात में भी हमें बधाई दी. फ्रेंड्स, I was given the charge of CMIB committee, member in industry committee, as a chairman last year. As the chairman of the committee of members in industry, last year we worked very hard, and due to the goodwill of our profession, there was a 50% increase in the number of jobs in the first campus, even during the pandemic, even on virtual mode. We further led to creation of a history in the second campus, when the number of jobs were equal to the applicants. Furthermore, our other council members are taking the things even ahead. Career Ascent, which is for experienced chartered accountants, grew by 4 times. Friends, as vice chairman रहते हुए मैंने ऑनलाइन जॉब पोर्टल स्टार्ट करवाया, हमने ओवरसीज कैंपस करवाए, हमने इंटरनेशनल प्लेसमेंट चालू कराई, हमने एक्सपीरियंस चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स के लिए कैंपस शुरू किया जिसका नाम करियर एसेंट था, और काफ़ी नई नई इनिशिएटिव्स भी लिए. फ्रेंड्स, गवर्नमेंट अकाउंटिंग कमेटी में मैं अभी वाइस चेयरमैन हूँ. As the current vice chairman of Government Accounting Committee, मैं कह सकता हूं कि we have played a very active role in developing many new avenues in the accounting of grants given by rural development, urban development, panchayati raj, local bodies, and hopefully the revenue from this sector in next 2 years will even cross the whole of revenue, collective revenue of even the bank branch audit. Friends, it is a big area which is definitely coming up. मुझे मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी पार्टनरशिप ग्रुप का भी मेंबर बनाया गया। सालों से ये चीजें पेंडिंग थी। इस इशू को गवर्नमेंट के पास से करवा करके हमने इसको गैजेट में नोटिफाई भी करवा दिया। इसका फायदा जरूर ही प्रोफेशन के लोगों को मिलेगा। फ्रेंड्स, अभी अभी हमने परस्यू करके ये इंश्योर किया कि 10 साल से ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस वाले चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट और प्रोफेशनल्स को इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर पोजीशन के लिए कोई एग्जाम देने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। आई रिलेट माई सेल्फ डीपली with the problem posed by the income tax portal now. It is very difficult time for all the persons to file the return. I know it. I can understand the feeling. It was an irrational decision to start a new portal which wasn't foolproof and had multiple bugs in it. हमारे हिसाब से दोनों सॉफ्टवेयर को पैरेलली चलाना चाहिए था, या जब बहुत ज्यादा रिटर्न फाइल करने का समय नहीं होता उस समय इसे स्टार्ट किया जाना चाहिए था। हमने इसलिए देश के हाईएस्ट अथॉरिटी के पास इस पॉइंट को रेज किया और डायरेक्ट टैक्स कमिटी के तरफ से 7 मेंबर्स को इंफोसिस की मीटिंग में बुलाया गया एंड now the government is very seriously handling this issue with Infosys. As chairman of members in practice committee, which I was last year, I ensured that our council passed a 30 crore rupees fund for audit tools, practice management software and all the type of tools which are required for chartered accountant to enable them बेटर प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ ऑडिट, जो कि बड़ी फर्मों के पास सिर्फ अवेलेबल रहता है, वो हमारे सीएस को, छोटे सीएस को, एसएमपीस को फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दिया जाए। उसमें हमारे जो दूसरे काउंसिल मेंबर हैं वो आगे के भी काम कर रहे हैं और बहुत जल्दी उसको लॉन्च किया जा रहा है। वी टाइड अप विथ टैली एंड सेवरल सॉफ्टवेयर्स टू बी प्रोवाइडेड एट डिस्काउंटेड रेट और एट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. We tied up with all types of insurances with some of the companies and loans at a discounted price. Lastly, I don't think it was on news or some rumors are there which are being spread that company audit की limit change की जाएगी. मैं ये आपको बताता हूँ, I will try my level best that no such decision which is harmful to the profession would be implemented. Friends, helping the NIRC in the vaccination camp which they have planned, and I can say I have taken several initiatives during the corona pandemic time, helping our members, our students to get vaccination, to get injections, to get beds, to get oxygen, to get concentrators, in whatever way it was possible from our side. I say one thing कि सभी प्रेसिडेंट ने मुझे ब्रिज बिटवीन गवर्नमेंट एंड आईसीआई कहा है। मैं अपनी तरफ से काफ़ी कोशिश करी है और जो कुछ भी रह गया है अपने गवर्नमेंट के साथ अच्छे संबंधों को यूज करते हुए मैं इसको जरूर पूरा करूंगा। एक जो कहीं एक फीलर जो आ रहा है कि ईज ऑफ डूइंग के चलते हम कुछ चीजों को हम हटा दें, इस चीज को गवर्नमेंट तक पहुंचाऊंगा और हमारा कोई भी एवेन्यू कम ना हो इसके लिए पूरा प्रयास करूंगा और नए एवेन्यूज क्रिएट करने पे पूरा जोर लगा करके काम करूंगा। मैं आपको ये वादा करता हूं। हमने बात की है फाइनेंस के स्टैंडिंग कमेटी चेयरमैन और वहां के मेंबर्स लोगों से कि जब भी कोई नया एक्ट या अमेंडमेंट आए तो आईसीआई के डेलीगेशन के व्यूज उसी समय उस कमेटी के सामने प्रेजेंटेशन के साथ में लिए जाएं। हमने नए उससे हमको बहुत सारे नए एवेन्यूज डेवलप होंगे और हम अपने रिलेशंस को यूज करते हुए पुराने एवेन्यूज को भी कम नहीं होने देंगे। विद दिस आई CA Rajesh Sharma humbly declare my candidature for the upcoming Central Council election. I promise to uphold the dignity of the profession and make it reach to even greater heights. Together we can fulfill the aspiration and goal of all the members of CA family. Jai Hind, Jai ICI. Thank you very much.